Straight 4 coming in. Lining it up.
Copy that. Belt clear.
Flow steady. No jams.
Readouts are in spec. Keep it moving.
And the stainless paddle sweep through the ground chicken, folding and stretching it in deliberate rhythm. Each turn pulls air out, aligns the fibers, and distributes seasoning throughout the mass. The mixer is chilled and sanitized, keeping the product cold while the machinery does the work.
At this final stage, the meat has been blended to a uniform mass. A smooth, cohesive paste. It moves under its own weight through the network of stainless pipes. Every fold looks identical, every drop measured. The system keeps it warm, moving.
Freshly breaded nuggets leave the pre-fryer, their surfaces sealed in a thin, crisp shell. Excess oil drains away through perforated stainless belts, glinting under the lights. On the cooling conveyors, they settle into a uniform golden hue.
Flaking pre-fried chicken nuggets glide toward the heart of an IQF tunnel, each one spaced for maximum exposure. Stainless steel fans above and below blast a torrent of air chilled to well below freezing. In seconds, surface moisture crystallizes, locking in the texture and flavor without a hint of ice.
Freezing. Straight from the blast of sub-zero air, the nuggets spill onto the stainless belt, each one frozen solid in seconds and coated with a fine dry frost. The individual quick freezing tunnel keeps them separate so nothing sticks, and every piece looks identical.
Freshly fried nuggets are chilled and portioned. Each measured batch slides into a clear pouch and, in a single motion, the pockets are sealed tight. Frost-free and uniform, the packs glide toward inspection, plastic smooth, seams perfectly crimped. A printer places